Look at this. Oi, oi, oi. 1,500 lights. LED lights. Final version. We go into IKEA. Super randomly. New trip.
Christmas inside.
No. This is Vlogmas. Yes.
Hey, Polly.
Yeah?
I have an idea for the title.
Yeah?
Vlogmas.
Vlogmas is type of the vlog.
Oh. Copenhagen Vlogmas.
Yeah. This man just bought a carpet. Look at this. Oi, 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 oi.
It's huge. So let's see which side is up, which side is down. Should have it a bit under the couch.
Look at this. This is the new carpet.
It's amazing, huh?
Huh? Haha.
Shout out IKEA.
Shut down my friends in IKEA.
Actually, down in the description box, we have a 10% discount code of your first order. Like and subscribe.
That's good.
And then of course now just imagine that we're gonna have a little bit wider couch.
Should we unpack the Christmas tree?
Yeah. Santa came early this year.
Now it's November, guys. November. Dream come true. Look at this. Look at this. 1,500 lights.
Look at this.
Look at this. 2 meters, 10 centimeters. When the size matters.
Sometimes size doesn't matter.
Yo. Let's.
Where's the knife? Yeah! Cut. Next scene. Yo. Ayo.
Ayo. How to take it? Look at this. This looks so cute. Nothing there.
Yeah, I'm just looking for the instruction manual that I will never read. Or maybe it's better
And
to...
hi, in 1 second, this is the instruction, so what should we do?
It's because I have glasses on, so I haven't...
I'm a nerd.
Hey! Don't say that! And then we need to take the one that also clicks in and then click, 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 click.
So it's very easy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really easy.
It's just a little dent.
Dent?
Yeah, I guess not straight up.
Okay, should we?
Yes, button pop. Then it goes in and it should click.
It didn't click.
Just
To show, like, look at this in the middle. In the middle of the tree, they put something like more cheap, like outside branches, like closer to people. They made it like kind of look real, and it's actually interesting. No, and that it looks amazing.
It's huge.
Yes, that's what I wanted.
A huge one.
Huge one. Can I just call this video a huge one?
Yeah. Title of the video.
Title of the
huge one.
Guys, now we have a dilemma to put it here or to put it there. From this angle, it's not bad actually. It's really not bad. It looks nice. Just going, you will see here like a lot of gifts. So it takes this empty space. It's actually, yeah, not bad. And here maybe it will be too cramped.
But we can check also afterwards.
Yeah.
So it's perfect.
Yeah, so we will see. Maybe just now. I don't know actually. I think it's too much maybe here. I think here it's too empty now and here it's too much.
Yeah, it should be over there.
I like how you decided.
That's what I said all along. Guys, welcome to today's unboxing video of 1,500 Christmas lights. 30 meters of delight for this Christmas light. I actually don't know what's...
Can you just hold maybe this? Christmas.
Christmas. Man, we're not even 5 meters in.
The bees inside. Yo.
10 hours later.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
The tree is slim?
Yeah.
Not really.
Slim fit.
I think it's very muscle kind of thing.
This tree did good booking season. It booked up.
This tree was in gym. I think we're just like crazy.
I'm getting road tossed.
Going now.
Oh yeah, we don't have a lot left.
Yeah, super. That's actually super.
Oh yeah. Get this. Watch out.
My head is spinning around.
You
okay, are you ready?
Right.
Are you ready?
Let's see. What? God. Yeah!
Yeah! Man, it's so cool.
I don't know, it's just fun.
Lekker nog.
I have an idea. The tree doesn't smell right, but we can fix it. With today's video sponsor, Chanel Allure Homme Sport.
Hygge, you will not be doing this.
Please.
We can use this Adidas.
No, Adidas is good. Hard boss, Adidas. Have you seen the star also?
Yeah, the
Actually,
star. It's me.
Just to show the mood. Just to show the mood of today. So Christmas tree is up, the star is lightened, and then we also have snow in Copenhagen. So look at this cool lamp, Danish design. Wow. Should we get the 40 meters instead?
Yeah, maybe 50.
Maybe. I think they had one with 10,000 lights. That's maybe a bit too much.
I have these ones too. Two of house like light rings. Yeah, from IKEA. So we are planning to put it there, maybe. And actually we didn't figure out where the second one.
The second one. I was thinking maybe here.
To put here, I don't know.
But yeah, maybe somewhere else. Like it could also be in the bedroom.
Yeah, it could also be in the bedroom.
Actually, about the bed.
So we will figure out.
I think it's a good idea. But what do you guys think? Maybe you could comment your opinion down in the comment section, and then we will get back to you. Most like comment, place will be the place we put it. Like and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at Hygge. I need more followers.
Huh?
Yeah.
Like something
I see now.
vibing. I don't know. Just somewhere. We have another part of the Christmas tree, which is not really smart and modern. We will just turn it. Good morning. This is the ribbon fabrica.
It's the illegal ribbon production in Norvest.
Don't say where.
Oh, sorry, it's not in Norvest, it's on Østerbro in Copenhagen.
Hey guys, it's day X when we're trying to make everything looking like Christmas. So my plan was to make one of the most kind of popular things in Pinterest, TikTok, everywhere. We were taking this Christmas branch, Christmas branch, and this thing for a bathroom, and putting it in the middle of the arc where you have like a door. Yeah, this one. Interesting. What's it gonna be? I don't know. I never tried it before. I have no idea. We have one Hygge to help, who is ignoring me. Yes.
I'm not ignoring. I'm thinking about what we're gonna be doing.
That. Silicone things as well.
Isn't it funny that silicone is used for so many different things?
Very fun.
Like for butt implants.
Hygge.
This side, I suppose there's on this one end. Yeah.
Yeah.
You thinking something like this?
Yeah. Oh, this is the mess what we have now, guys. Next layer will be this. Very interesting berries. So I need to hide them with one more layer. So let's go. Okay, we will put some more of these pieces of tree. I will try to figure out how to put them inside. It looks like this now. Not bad actually. I think so. Hello.
It's me, Harry.
Yeah, from this side also looks nice.
It looks very nice.
Yeah, actually not bad, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For now. Yeah, and make something else. Because our plan is to make here, to put LED lights around, to put some more of the Christmas branches here. We have one circle with the LED lights here. Mm. So it should be like this. Very, very
Christmassy.
Christmassy, yeah. Very light and bright. And actually about the tree, this is the big ribbon, the small ribbons and everything together looks like this. It's kind of like the final version.
I don't think it's the final version.
What is the final version?
We need a star on top.
But it's a ribbon on top.
It's gonna be a picture. And now a word from today's video sponsor.
What is the video sponsor?
I don't know, I need to think about it. Cut!
That's it. I wanted to put this one there. We will see how it will look. Looks Christmas-ish.
And then you also want to have like a light going.
Yeah, I want to have like light from here going to here, kinda. But I don't know if it is real, if it could be. If not, we will figure out something else. Okay, it was kind of like a new idea to put these berries inside, so it looks like a real thing with berries.
I would actually say that I proposed something similar. Not really exactly the same, but just to see it better how it looks.
It looks cute.
It looks super cute.
Yeah.
It's very nice. So I'll just put the camera down here. Then maybe for New Year's we could get some silver sparkles over there.
Silver sparkles?
Yeah.
No. Guys, the final look looks like this. Maybe we will add some more, but I think it should be natural. Like this. We're changing plans. Now we're going to IKEA. Super randomly. Yeah.
Because
anyway.
why not?
Because why not? Yeah, exactly. It will be part of our Christmas decoration day.
We're really gonna find some nice stuff over there.
Yeah, at least we need to find vases. We need to find... What else do we need to find actually?
Vases, decorative stuff, then maybe also some boxes.
Some boxes, some containers.
Yeah.
Something else. Okay, Hygge rent a car. That's new trip to IKEA. Let's go.
It looks like this. Yes! Amazing.
IKEA trip. Nice. That's so cool.
Oi, Polja.
What?
Look at this.
Look at this.
We
Oi,
have
oi,
CarPlay
oi.
on.
Nice, man.
Just need to get it to work.
Wow. That's
Start CarPlay.
Tag mod nord af Utterslev Torv mod Dortheavej, og derefter drej til venstre forbi på Utterslev Torv.
Nice.
very cool.
Can even have music on it.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, guys. See you in IKEA. We are here. This is Jusk and IKEA Gendotter. We are already in IKEA.
And
Looks
doing
like
a room tour.
It looks like we're in somebody's room. Yeah, but we actually seen so many already things. I never been to this IKEA before. Have you been?
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very big
I
one.
go to IKEA before the one we got on Vesterbro, on Dybelsbro.
Harry found his favorite part in IKEA, and he found a friend.
Yeah.
What's the name of the friend?
Bruno.
Bruno.
Bruno the bear. Just look at it.
Now we have some containers, some boxes. It's just like Harry's dream. Some candles, more bed sheets, and that's it.
And a pattern. Status in IKEA. You can see here. This one. That was all.
Yes.
Wow, look at the price.
1111. That's actually how it looks from here. IKEA. Looks like a storage. Okay, guys. I don't know if you see me. It's very dark on the camera. I have no idea why. But we actually bought a lot of stuff. For instance, candles. They're red. I don't know. I need to turn on the light. I think you don't see anything, but I'm not sure that this light will help.
On your own door.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's my home.
Oh.
What are you doing here?
Oh. It looks like Christmas inside.
No. Look at this. Yeah.
Oi, oi, oi.
But look at this, guys. I took these pieces what we had. They were separate, and I made just like own. I don't know what is this.
Yeah, it's
how
like
called.
our own creation.
Yeah,
we
own
just
creation.
need to have like a plate
That's this.
below, right?
And that's it. Yeah.
Nice.
Do you like it?
Also, paid actor phone. With
Thank you.
With the
Thank you.
light. Ti понимаешь, что не добро.
Нет, не понимаю.
Сисо. Сисо. Сису.
Сосиска.
Сосиска.
Okay, guys, wait and see what we bought. Vase. Oh my god. Stockholm. IKEA. Vase.
Special edition.
Special edition. Man. It's a very dark one. It's a black one, basically, yeah. With a different glazing. Matte, and glossy. Anyway. This is the base. We will be creating something really interesting. This one. Okay, guys. If you see this, it means we're gonna try to make something with LED lights. We have these 30 meters of LED lights.
30 meters of cord.
And we have also hooks. We bought them in IKEA to make our life easier. To try to put it on top like there.
Thank you.
Okay, this is how it looks now. But we didn't finish some things. Yeah, here. We didn't finish some things. For instance, here we want to put it in this space. Also, we put this lighting, LED lights, and I didn't really like how the light is matching the color. It was too yellow, and everything was looking like so artificial. Then I also put this, if you see at least anything, 3 candles with nice, with a little bit of branches. Also here, yes, very nice. Also this, because we have a thing of the Bordeaux ribbons. This one actually we found just on the street. So yeah, but this one is just my favorite. It looks so cool, looks so stylish. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you guys for being with us, preparing everything for Christmas. It really meant a lot. While Harry's doing something in the kitchen, I want to say bye and wait for more videos. Probably will be more. Follow, subscribe, put a comment. What is your theme for Christmas today? My focus again is somewhere, not here. And yeah.